Get home?
Let's see if I can fail. Did it again. Did I get it?
Did the wrong foot again?
Yeah. Again. I did it though. I got on, but I'm on the wrong page.
Well, scoot back.
Triangles! What is that? That is a very white dog.
Oh, that is very bright.
I know. Mom.
What do we got? A lovely 66 degrees.
Ew. I thought it was warmer.
What? Oh, that's like perfect. Mm-hmm.
What road are we going? Where are we going?
We're going this way. So, while I've got you as a captive audience now, tell me, what are your thoughts on the, all the contention and everything surrounding this woman that got ridiculed for letting her daughter ride on a motorcycle?
I do not understand that because I'm riding on the back of a motorcycle right now.
Right, but
there should be nothing that stops a kid from what they want to do.
But you're older. You're 10. That girl is like 7.
Well, that doesn't really matter. All that matters is I can grip on and hold on. They're not legal. Did you steal Mom's GoPro?
Huh?
Did you steal Mom's GoPro?
It is one of our GoPros. They're, not really specific to...
So my mom calls everything hers.
Yeah. But, she wasn't using it, so I'm using it. So what you're saying is haters are going to hate no matter what, and they should just shove it?
Why do people even try? Because I don't really understand. Why do people always have to be so rude and also just not understand what a person wants to do with their kids?
Because motorcycles are death machines. Didn't you know that?
Yes, I know that.
That was the most common comment that I read in there. Was motorcycles are death machines. And just nobody should be allowed to ride them. They should just be banned altogether. Get rid of them.
Well, if you go over to Canada, you cannot ride in the winter.
Sure you can.
No, Cat. Bear, he does do it, but not that much.
It depends on where you're at in Canada.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, it depends on what you're riding, too.
Yeah.
You can get those track and ski kits for the supermotos and ride them around. Those things are pretty awesome. Plus, different places around the country have different cultures. Like, do you know there's only like 18 states that require helmets?
I did not know that.
Mm-hmm.
Is this one of the states?
Yes. I'm pretty sure all the West Coast states require helmets. Washington, Oregon, and California. But,
you should have a helmet anyway.
Well, I mean, for adults. For kids, I think it's unanimous across the country that if you're under the age of 18 and 21 in some places, you have to wear a helmet.
Well,
but there's a lot of states that once you're over the age of 18 or 21, you don't
have to wear a helmet.
You don't have to wear a helmet.
But
you don't have to wear pants or shoes or gloves or long sleeves. You don't have to wear that stuff. Like in my all of my years of riding, I have been down probably 12 or 13 times.
But the worst one was when you high-sided into a tree.
Yes.
That one was bad.
And do you know what I was wearing when I did that?
Nothing.
I was wearing a pair of tennis shoes,
No helmet.
blue jeans,
And not a helmet, I think.
a t-shirt. That's what a lot of me and my buddies wore back then. I mean, I remember one time where we went riding into town wearing nothing but cut-off shorts, cut-off blue jean shorts, and a pair of shoes.
Well, you've definitely learned from that.
That was it. Didn't have a shirt on. Just bare-chested riding all out in the wind. And I tell you what, I took a June bug, one of those big retarded beetles. I took one of those right in the man tit.
Oh, no.
Yes, yes. It felt like I got shot. It was so painful.
Probably learned from that experience.
Yes, indeed. Have a windshield. That's what I learned.
And maybe something that will protect this area. Just
Actually, I had it was a 1980 Suzuki GS 250, and it had the big, it had a big Vetter fairing on it with the giant windshield. So I thought I was safe. I thought I was protected, but somehow that bug came around the windshield and still hit me right in the tit.
Nope.
That left a big old welt and a bruise, and it takes a lot for me to bruise. I don't bruise very easily at all. And
well, that one hit out like maybe full speed on, just
oh yeah. I was doing easy. We were doing like 60, 70 miles an hour, so it was.
Well, no wonder.
And it was a road like this, you know, backcountry out in the woods.
Prettiness. I'm looking forward to the future, because I can bet in the future we're going to have flying motorcycles.
Yeah, I thought that when I was your age also, and look where we are today.
Well, it's still fun.
Nope. Still no flying anything. We were told that by the year 2015, we were going to have flying cars. Well, that was last year. Still no flying cars. Matter of fact, when I was a kid, they had like these comic books, kind of like comic books.
Yeah.
And it was the world of tomorrow. And they would show you all of the cool, fancy things that were going to happen. In the year 2000, everybody's going to have their own robot butler.
That would be fun, though. That would be nice. Don't have to do anything. I made the weirdest sound. Because I want to be able to ride that tiny bike.
Let's go Blackwell.
Yeah.
We got a little bit. Although, you've got to take a shower and get into bed as soon as we get home.
I know. It's so beautiful. Ah! I think if you were to put this on YouTube, I think it would just be a big long story of a lot of different things. Oh my god. Wow, there's 2 cop cars.
They got 2 cars. Wonder what they did.
Either speeding? Probably speeding.
No, they wouldn't bring in another car if it was speeding. I bet it's meth. It's probably meth.
Yeah. I'm just kidding.
I like Goatfather better than my own dad.
No, I'm just kidding. I watched the...
He does videos every day.
No, I just get bored after a while because you haven't uploaded in like a week. So a new video come out yesterday.
His shiny head is way better than your floppy faux hawk. Alright, so we'll say peace out, have fun, stay safe, all that cool, happy outro stuff. I will talk to y'all next time.